everyone. Welcome to the IME West News Desk. I am thrilled to be joined with my buddy Thor Rollins from Nelson Labs, and we are here to talk all about Nelson Labs. But before we do so, we want to talk about IME West. I know you all are veteran exhibitors here, so what keeps you coming back?
Yeah, Nelson has been exhibiting here for a very long time. Me personally, this is my 17th year here, and besides the beautiful weather and the location, we love the West Show. It helps us, one, connect with our clients, which we have a lot of clients who come here, visit us at the booth, ask questions, really be able to connect with them, which is a rare opportunity, especially this year. We feel we definitely missed that. But also we get to reach out and touch a lot of new potential clients. A lot of people looking for help or wanting to get to know different suppliers or contacts. And so for us, it's an opportunity to really get to know the new people in the industry and cement ourselves in their heads going forward.
Absolutely, and you mentioned it feels great to be back under one roof all together. So I'm sure you all were extremely excited to exhibit this year. With that, what are you showcasing at your booth?
Yeah, it's amazing to be back and see so many people. I mean, I was personally very surprised of the attendance this year and how many people were dropping by and talking to us and really interested. It was a great surprise for us this year. It's good just to see people's faces. For us, we have a lot of changes that's happened in the last few years. We recently established Nelson Labs, our Soterra Health Academy. So we have a lot of educational content that we've been developing over the last 5 or 6 years, and we wanted to be able to put that in one place where people could come and search and be able to go back and re-watch certain educational content, catch up and see what new changes are happening. So that's one thing we wanted to showcase, and it's great to be able to show people that. And then there's been a lot of regulations in the medical device industry that have changed during the last couple of years, and so we're able to kind of help people understand those changes, walk through those changes with things like biocompatibility or packaging or sterilization validations. So for us, those are the things that we're most often talking about and showcasing in our booth.
What are the conversations been like? I mean, again, it's been what feels like a very, very long journey through the pandemic to have us back here. And how have the conversations shifted, and what are those like at the booth?
Yeah, it's amazing because people come up and it's actually, you can see the joy in their face that they actually get to talk and shake hands with somebody, which is almost, you take for granted that opportunity, but then immediately jump in and talk about supply issues or issues that they're recovering through the pandemic, and then thinking about new products coming on the market. And it's nice to actually see those conversations that the world's starting to get back to a place where we start thinking about those things again. And the other thing that's been great is the reoccurring conversations. You get done talking to one person, you kind of take a drink of water, and then boom, there's another person right behind them. So it's been really good to be able to, once again, have those conversations face to face and be able to connect with that person, where virtually, even though it's possible, it's just not the same because you don't get those connections that you do here in person.
Absolutely. So what makes, I know Nelson Labs is an established name in the industry, but what makes you all unique and continue to be on the cutting edge in this space?
Yeah, so besides the experience, like you said, and the vast interactions we have with regulatory bodies like the FDA, we're on standard committees, so we help write these standards. So we have special insights in how the medical device regulations work and how to utilize them. But the other thing recently is we've acquired companies like regulatory companies like RCA that helps us provide a non-overview concept to our medical device companies, so we can take them from product design through initial qualification, materials, to packaging and biocompatibility and sterilization, through 510K or PMA, or even through notified bodies, all the way to post-market surveillance. So we're able to really help a client through all the processes. So we have the expertise to solve problems, we have the people in place to be able to provide solutions throughout all the life cycle of the product.
And I know in this space, it's all about innovation and looking ahead. So what's ahead for Nelson Labs?
Yeah, we're going to continue to grow and look at ways to provide these type of resources to more and more clients. Right now, with the supply issues that we're feeling throughout the industry, it's more important than ever to be able to invest in people, invest in companies, and invest in the opportunity to grow and be able to really help more and more people. Our tagline is safeguarding global health, and really for us, that's the passion that we have. Is we want to be out there and help safeguard the health of the world, and to do that, we need to be able to have the resources and availability to be able to help people. So that's what we're focused on.
Love that. Well, where can folks learn more? I know you've got a booth here, so what's your booth number? And then if you can also share your website with us.
So our booth number is 3513, and also we have our websites, which is www.nelsonlabs.com, and our sister company, Sterigenics, which is sterigenics.com. So obviously stop by our booth or come to our website, and we'd love to help.
Perfect. Well, Thor, thank you so much. Wishing you the bestest luck in IME West.
Thank you so much for having me.